Hi, my name is Daryl Brockman with Optima Batteries. I am here with our Group 31 lithium batteries. These batteries have NEMA 2000 and J1939 connectivity. They have a Bluetooth app in addition to on-battery controls. These batteries have a battery management system which protects for over and under voltage, over current, over and under temperature, short circuit protection. In addition, the batteries have battery-to-battery communication and are able to put into a sleep or storage mode for off-season use. The batteries can be connected up to 4 in series and 4 in parallel. For charging a lithium battery, you should always use a lithium charging profile or lithium battery charger. This is our Q31M DC150. It's 150 amp hours and is a cycling battery. This is the battery that you would use for an RV house battery or for the trolling motors in a bass boat. One unique feature of this battery is that it has cell heaters. Those cell heaters allow the battery to be charged at temperatures down to -22 Fahrenheit. Battery has a 150 amp max continuous discharge current and a maximum 5-second discharge current of 450 amps. This is Q31M DP120. It's a dual purpose battery with 120 amp hours of capacity. Dual purpose meaning it can be used for both engine starting and cycling applications, such as in a marine, RV, or commercial application. This battery can deliver 1200 amps of cranking power up to 10 seconds and 200 amps of power continuously. The Optima Group 31 lithium batteries also have a Bluetooth app which can be downloaded from both the iOS and Android app stores if you just search for Optima Lithium Bluetooth. Open up the app and you can see we currently have 3 batteries nearby here. Choose one of the batteries to connect. And right now it's showing this is state of charge, battery voltage, capacity, and status. Let's scroll to the right. You can also see battery temperature and how many cycles the battery has on it. If there were any recorded events, if there was some kind of a fault, overcurrent fault, or if you dropped a wrench across the terminals and there was a short circuit fault, those events would be logged here as well. In addition, the app can be used to set some notifications. So you can set, if you wanted to, you could set a low state of charge notification with sound or vibration if you wish to let you know if your batteries are getting to be low state of charge. Also, have direct access to the user manual, so if you have any questions about installation, all that information is readily available in the app as well. This app is used for both of the Group 31 batteries, the deep cycle 150 amp hour and the dual purpose 120 amp hour.